Want to know how to change your chat wallpaper in Telegram? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from TML and today I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your chat wallpaper in Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump into the video. Firstly, click on the Telegram app on your screen. Now open any chat for which you want to change your wallpaper. Then click on the three dot icon at the top right side of your screen. Tap on the Change Wallpaper option. Here you can see different kinds of wallpaper, each wallpaper having its own different color. You can also change the theme of the chat from light mode to the dark mode by clicking on the moon symbol. Now select the theme that you like the most. After selecting the theme, click on the Apply Theme button. So this is how you can change your chat wallpaper in Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.